Welcome to Nanyang Junior College.
Right from Lorong Chuan MRT station, you'll be greeted with familiar faces and warm smiles. With friendly staff and students, you can make NY your second home. There is a range of sports and activities for you to stay fit while having fun. You will have a supportive environment to showcase your talents and make meaningful memories with your 200 friends. With loud cheers, you can enjoy entertainment at its best. During your time in NY, there will be many precious memories captured. An exciting lineup of annual events awaits you.
Say yes to NYJC!